Was there any time during the game that you felt you were losing it?
Losing what, the game?
No, your stuff.
No, I felt good all the way through the ball game. All I was hoping for was I'd keep my control, make them hit the ball.
Well, you only had a couple days rest. Did it have any effect on you at all?
Oh, yes. I think maybe it took a little zip off of all my pitches, but as long as I had good control, it doesn't make an awful lot of difference.